Hello guys, welcome back to the journey of upgrading the 1 Series into a beast. If you watched previous videos, you would have seen that I bought a really cheap 1 Series and found that it had some major suspension issues. You'd have also seen that I've managed to buy the parts for a very cheap price to replace the suspension, and in this video I'll be showing you the replaced suspension and how much it cost me. And our new rims, which really look good on the car. So first let's talk about the suspension. The car used to be very low and the suspension was horrible in that you can feel every bump. Now we got that replaced, and in total it cost me nearly £400, which is not bad considering that I would have spent $569 on the parts alone if I had bought this from Euro Car Parts or Halfords. As you can see, the suspension now is super high. I might lower it in the future, but for now I like how comfortable it is. Next we replaced the old boring wheels with some sporty looking ones, which really helps with the aggressive look that we're going for. We went all the way to Dorchester near Weymouth beach to get these wheels, and they were absolutely worth it. The following is a bit of a small vlog of our journey, which I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys again. This was just a quick update on what we've done so far. Next we'll be changing the interior trim to gloss black and spray paint the brake calipers to red. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.